intelligent load, is definitely the main reason why we are allowed to regard Kineo as an actual revolution in rehabilitation and physical training. The reasons why we can talk about intelligent load are at least four. Kineo allows to set basic loads, differentiated between the concentric and the eccentric phase. As we know, the eccentric strength is higher than the concentric strength. With Kineo, we can set differentiated loads to carry out the two phases of the contraction as best as we can. Very simply, in every station and with every work method, we can decide the concentric load, for example 20 kilograms, and the eccentric load, for example 30 kilograms. The second reason why we talk about intelligent load is that we can respect the articular biomechanics by changing the load depending on the movement. To take an example, it's easy to understand that in the squat at the closed angles, we'll be able to develop less strength compared to the open angles. With Kineo's elastic method, applied to squat, we can facilitate the movement at the closed angles, and increase the load at the open angles. For example, we can set an elastic load from 60 kilograms to 120 kilograms in the concentric phase, and from 120 to 60 kilograms in the eccentric phase. Another possibility to respect biomechanics is offered by the variable load method, with which we can draw the load curve, point by point, all along the movement. For example, doing leg extension for a patellofemoral cartilage problem, we may decide to set a load of 16 kilograms, bring it down to 9 kilograms at 45 degrees, and bring it progressively up to 26 kilograms in the last degrees. The third reason why we talk about Kineo intelligent load is the smart viscous method, in which we set a fixed load, but we select a level of viscosity for our exercise. With the smart viscous method, the load changes in a smart way at every point of the movement, depending on the subject's capability. Just like in a movement inside a fluid, for example in the water, the load is low for slow movements. Let's make an example with the leg press. We select a starting load of 10 kilograms and a level 3 of viscosity. We ask the subject to make a movement at 3 increasing speeds, slow, medium and fast. We can see that, depending on the speed attained, the subject got to 51 kilograms in the first repetition, to 61 kilograms in the second, and to 82 kilograms in the third. The smart viscous method is actually smart, because the load changes in real time, adapting instantly to speed variations. For this reason it is considered the ideal method for painful pathologies, because the load adapts automatically, while staying always under the pain threshold. The fourth reason that makes Kineo the intelligent load machine is surely the possibility to make a complete evaluation of the subject in terms of rehabilitation and high-performance sport. Kineo offers a wide range of tests in closed and open kinetic chain. The isokinetic test of imbalance between the limbs, at different speeds. The eccentric strength evaluation test, the ratio test, to evaluate the ratio between the eccentric and the concentric strength, in the same muscle area. Isometric strength tests at different angles, tests of imbalance between the limbs with curve analysis, to evaluate inhibition, and muscle activation time. And power test to evaluate strength speed curves, and detect the ideal workloads based on targets. Then you can also analyze the curves, export them to Excel and print personalized reports. Visit the Globus Corporation Academy section. You will find many courses and training videos always at your disposal.